With the Kailo pain patch, placement is everything, and it's important to find the placement that works best for you. There are 3 components to finding correct placement. 1. Orientation. 2. Placement. And 3. Movement direction. Orientation. The Kailo can be oriented 3 different ways: vertical, horizontal, or at a diagonal or 45-degree angle. Placement. The Kailo should initially be placed at the location of pain or the original injury. Movement direction. After initial placement, the Kailo should be moved along the pathway of your nervous system to find the best results. Now that we've reviewed and understand the importance of proper placement, let's give it a try. Place the Kailo near but above your pain. Slowly move the Kailo away from the pain and toward your brain, following the pathway of your nervous system. If you start to feel Kailo warm up or tingle, then there's a good chance you found the right location. Even though you may have found a great spot where your pain has been reduced, don't be afraid to investigate for even better placement. In many cases, you'll notice pain relief within seconds. However, for some people, it can take longer, even a few minutes. For best results, remember that placement is everything and that the Kailo works best away from electrical interference. For site-specific pain, please see our additional videos on our website or YouTube channel. Kailo, the future of pain relief is here.